Hi, everyone. This is Christopher Naum from the Command Institute. For the last few years, we've offered our signature building construction and fire ops workshop, a fire officer guide to today's buildings on fire at FDIC. We're excited to announce the companion workshop, Buildings on Fire, Tactical Risk for the first due will be offered in 2022. Addressing the challenges from emerging building construction and performance under fire, this workshop program presents tactical risks and key considerations for the first due company, company officer, and commander affecting and influencing operational decision-making, risk management, command and tactical safety, and tactical protocols based on building types, occupancy risks, reading the building size up, and adaptive fireground management concepts for aggressive and decisive fireground engagement. Integrating into our program are key learnings and a model approach for today's demanding fireground, integrating building construction, predictability of performance, the building facts model for first arriving, construction, tactics, and safety. We'll be discussing a wide degree of building types that will include Main Street Type 3 ops, mega mansions and large area residentials, row house and garden apartment occupancies, adaptive reuse timber and mill buildings, and hybrid mixed-use commercial, retail buildings and occupancies. As you plan your FDIC experience, a personal invite to make time to attend this workshop. It'll expose you to a dynamic way to address today's buildings and fires on today's demanding and unforgiving fireground. I look forward to seeing you at FDIC 2022.